it definitely it took a while. It took several months to actually get it up and running. It's a blank canvas when you first come into it, trying to figure out exactly what you have, a bunch of ideas, and you know the process. One thing that I kind of did when we first started out was really just write down the overall process of how we manage projects here. Kind of in putting myself in the shoes of a project manager here and what they're going to experience, the questions they're going to be asked, the documents that they're going to have to source and upload, and try to kind of put that on one sheet, if you will, and start breaking that out into sections. What what phase of the job it should these different tasks fall into, and where does this document come into play, and just started building it out from the bottom up, and as to how we're normally going to manage the process. My biggest thing, from having experience, whether it was in the field or managing these projects, is just trying to relate. I may be the one managing the department and working on this platform, but I have other people that have to use this on a daily basis, and I need to try to make it as simple and efficient for them. I can't necessarily do what makes sense to me in the moment, or potentially necessarily what makes sense as a business, but put myself in their shoes. What are they going to be experiencing, and how can I make it as straightforward as possible? So it was a lot of internal discussion over time. Asking questions, just getting feedback, and just getting information from the team, and just trying to make it as simple as possible, but not over engineering it.
Yeah.
Because there's definitely a lot that you can do with Scoop. And once we got it live, it's never stopped with the adjusting. I think I would say probably daily I'm in there tweaking something, adding a field, removing a field. Uh, so it's been super valuable to be able to have that access to build it the way we want it, and just starting off with the basics, and not trying to uh, you know over engineer this product from the start, because we have a lot of ability to add on down the road.